Hey guys, here's another great product that was sent to me by ASMAX. This is the 7-in-1 jump starter with air compressor. So not only is this a jump starter, it actually has a air compressor. This is the T20 model. It has the jump starter. It all could be used as a power bank, an emergency flashlight, and it's got an air pump. And I like this one also because it's got a digital display. So let's open it up. Very cool, very nice hard shell case is a plus. You can store it nicely in the vehicle, the trunk, without having to worry about damaging. And then very nicely packaged. It's got the jumper cables, which I like these. This plugs in. Comes with a charging cable, and of course the hose for the pump. And it's got the different attachments, which you'll need. You can pump up balls and different, pools and different items. And of course, it has a manual. On the other side is the device itself. It's got a nice strap to hold it in place. Very sturdy. Looks like this is where you plug in the jumper cables. Put them right there. Easy to plug, easy peasy. You see the display, very bright. It's got settings, preset settings, and you got different devices. This can work on a 9.0 liter gas and vehicle or a 6.5 liter diesel engine. And it's got 150 psi Auto-Shutoff Tire Inflator, so you don't have to worry about overinflating. This is where the hose for the pump goes. Again, like I said, you can use this as a charging device in an emergency situation to charge your phone or whatever. And it also has a plug for the charging cable to charge it up. I've been needing one of these for a while. So I have a couple of different models, and I'll probably do a comparison video, but this one is very nice. I like it because it's a jumper, and it also inflates your tires if needed, or a ball, etc. It's multi-use, 7-in-1 ASMAX. Check it out.